guys, hi, a very warm welcome to each one of you to your chemistry session. I hope that you all are doing amazing, and this session is gonna be a booster for you because you all would be stressed, I believe, right now when the exams are so near. Last 5 days strategy, so you know that Shilpi Mam's strategy is never so rigid that you're not able to follow that, or it's not that rigid as well that you need to follow. Okay, so that just depends on you. We are going to discuss some of the best possibilities that might help you in these last 5 days. Okay, so I again welcome all of you. I guess Sir Anup sir is still taking the session, that is active. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So tell me, first of all, how is your preparation going on? Because you know, right now you would be feeling, I would say, excited if your preparation is like going good, or plus there would be like mixed emotions, anxiety bhi ho raha hoga, isn't it? So I want to know your reaction. Tell me in the chat box, all of you, how are you feeling? Yes, yes, you can also watch it, Akshat, if you're from ICSE. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so are you prepared? Are you confident about your preparation right now? Scared, Janki saying anxiety. I can understand that. Yes. Hi Sahil, how are you? Okay, I see Sachi saying excited. Okay, ठीक है चलो. So if in case you're new on the channel and you haven't subscribed to it, then we are just about to reach 1 lakh subscribers and we need your support in that. 200 more students to go and then we would be like happy 100k family. So help us to reach there. Yes, both scared and excited, I can understand that. So let's get started. What can you do in the last 5 days? So how I would advise you, देखो, that depends on every student individually. Okay, so if you ask from me what would be the best strategy, then the strategy would be different for each and every student. So let's say you fall into the category where social studies, that is your first exam, you are 100% prepared for it. Well, social studies is like, you know, totally packed. You have done each and everything. So tell me, how many of you are fully prepared for your social studies? Yes, in the chat box. Let me wear my specs. I was like, something is missing. I was not able to read the messages. Yes, Debojit, you are nervous. Don't worry. So tell ma'am, not yet. Okay. Prepare for exam. Okay, my blessings are always with you. You don't need to say that, ma'am, please bless us. Yes. So tell me if you are 100% prepared. I see Akshat is saying yes. Shruti, no. Okay, don't worry. I will tell you. The another possibility. See, देखो, if in case you are 100% prepared for social studies, then how would you use these 5 days? I will tell you, you can just divide them in a combination of 3 plus 2. Okay, if you are falling in this category कि 100% social studies is like prepared, ma'am, we are just fully packed, we just need a basic revision, then divide these 5 days in a just group of 3 plus 2. These 3 days you are gonna keep for your second exam, that would be science. These 3 days keep them for science, because science mein you are not getting much gap, you are just getting 1 day, है ना. Second ko you are having your science ka exam, so this is something that you can do. Shivam is saying so jao. Yes, Shivam, I wish I can do that. Don't worry, I'll do it after the session. Okay, right after the session. So yeah, these 3 days you can divide for your science exam. Science maybe 1 day you can keep for physics, then chemistry, and then biology. Clear? Are we clear on this? So let's say 25th say you are doing that. 25, 26 and 27 को यहाँ तक you can still do science. ठीक है, social studies then you can revise on 28th and 29th. This strategy can work if you are 100% prepared for social. Now let's say that you are in the second category, that is like my kind of students. I used to hate social studies. I was like, I don't want to study this subject. क्यों बनाया social studies? So if that is your category, then I would advise you कि ये division थोड़ा सा like, you know, change करना पड़ेगा. 1 plus 4 में कर सकते हो. 1 day still, या फिर you can just keep for 2 plus 3 days. Okay, so if you're not fully confident on social studies, keep 4 days for it. 25th ko still you can revise your science subjects, physics, chemistry, biology, depending on the priority, whichever subject you find difficult. And then the remaining 4 days you can keep for your social studies. Okay, that works. I guess this is simple, easy. Yes. Okay, so still some students are saying, ma'am, BTS army. So, you know, ma'am is not a big fan of BTS. Yes. Okay, so what you can do in these 3 days plus 2, the combination that you're making, have a glance like simply you have to see your notes, whatever notes you are going through. Take care, you don't have to study any new book. So please keep this thing in mind. If any of your friend is coming to you and saying that, see, these are the most important questions, these are the most important notes, then you simply have to say no. Okay, so we don't have any time for the distraction. So this you need to follow very strictly. Say no to any new study material, any kind of new question, any kind of new book. These 5 days are solely for your revision. Whatever you know, you just have to revise that. Are you getting this point? Yes or no? Yes, I guess that's easy. You can do it. Most important questions we have already covered most important questions. Okay, yes. Okay, easy peasy. So just revise your notes, have a look at them, right? Simply first thing. उसके बाद what you need to do, the questions that you have practiced. Let's say chemistry में I have covered, let's say 200 questions. You have solved a book, any reference book या फिर exampler you have solved, previous year questions you have solved. So when you solve those questions, you found some questions which were difficult, which you were not able to solve in the first attempt. Yes or no? There are always some questions that you get stuck there. So that might be redox reaction. Okay, you don't know how metals react with nitric acid. So there is some question from the exceptions. It happens that you get stuck right in the first attempt. So you just have to revise those questions as well. So I'm sure that you have circled them. So if you have solved like 10 questions, 10 may say you got stuck simply, let's say at 2 questions you were not able to solve in the first go, then you are supposed to circle those 2 questions, and when you are revising for the second time, then you have to look at those 2 questions. Okay, that is important. Yes. Okay, that's easy, not difficult. So Navraj be like, ma'am, we should know something for doing the revision. Don't say this, Navraj, no. Okay, don't say that. You are a cation, remember. Okay, so if you have made some memo cards, I told you that prepare some memo cards for things like important equations, like what happens when you are heating lead nitrate. Okay, so what is the important formula in physics? May all those important formulas, definitions, so you don't need to go through as such, or any keywords that might help you. Okay, especially keywords may, let's say colors of the compounds. They are difficult, you get stuck there. So colors of the compound, then we have the list of precipitate, go through that. Okay, so all of those little exceptions that you've done in metals and non-metals, so all those things also you have to revise in each and every subject of science, I am saying. And one more important thing, you also have to solve the sample paper. Like, ma'am, 5 days mein what are we gonna do? So 5 days are also enough. Okay, and you are already prepared for that, so you just need to believe yourself. Yes, Umesh, I do remember you. Yes. Okay, solve 20 important question. No, 20 is not like, doesn't matter. You don't have to solve new questions again, previous year kiye the, so the difficult ones you just need to go through them. Okay, I guess that's clear. Hi Soham, how are you? Yes, Shilpi ma'am never forgets any of her students. See, my memory is quite good. You need to trust that. Okay, and still 25th, 26th and 27th ko at least solve one sample paper per day of science. Because science is your second exam and you have to be prepared for that also. Don't think that one day we're gonna do the entire revision. That is also not possible. So you need to be prepared in advance for it. Okay, then your two most difficult subjects would be done. Then all the time you can just spend easily on the remaining subjects. So many questions can be repeated in the exam in the exact same way. So we have solved sample paper a lot number of times. I have covered the last year sample papers as well. So just go through those questions. You've already done that. So if in case you get some new question or a different concept, then you can just note it down. Okay? Yes, easy, not difficult. And the last point is to take care of your health. So Mahatma Gandhi, once said that health is the real wealth and not pieces of silver or gold. So please don't stress. Okay, don't take any sort of stress, and no negativity should strike your mind. You have to believe yourself, you have to stay catenic, you have to stay optimistic. Okay, and don't compare your preparation strategy to your friends. No, that's a big no, right? That is important. If your friend is scoring, let's say, a second rank in Menti, first rank in Menti, you are getting 30th rank. Don't compare, because exam you have your own 90 minutes. Okay, sometimes it happens that you are strong in a particular topic, your friend is weak there. You are weak in a certain topic, your friend might be good at that. So you don't have to compare your preparations. Don't call them again and again and say, "Arey, how much you have studied?" Okay, so just trust yourself. Easy. Okay. Yes, you can do it easily. Yes, you can do that. Eat well, and please do not miss the sleep. Okay, so this happens a lot, that out of stress you people don't take a time of the sleep that you're taking. So tell me honestly, for how long you people are sleeping these days? How much sleep you are taking per day? Yes, tell me about yesterday. Only 6 hours? Okay. What are you saying, Umesh? Agar 7 days so nahi to try that, Umesh, and tell me. Okay, what happens? 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours, only 2 hours. Why? Okay, so which exam you have to write? 12 hours. Sakshi, I like your answer. You also have to make sure that don't oversleep. Undersleeping and oversleeping both are dangerous for us. So guys, please keep it for 8 hours. 7 to 8 hours ka sleep you have to take even in the exam. Okay, so if your mind is not getting rest, then you won't be able to study with 100% efficiency. And if 100% efficiency se nahi pada hai, then exam maybe you won't be able to write the answers with that efficiency. Okay, 10:30 to 5. That's fine. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा just increase it. Okay, 8 hours is maximum. 7 to 8 hours is like fine. ठीक है? That's fine. And 6 hours तो minimum ही है, and for students तो it should be 7, I would say, minimum. Okay? Avoid distract social media. So how many of you are still using Instagram? Tell me. I will give you my Instagram ID, and I should not get a single request over there. I'm telling you. Otherwise, I will know. See, Umesh is saying, yes, ma'am, I am still using, I'm just watching memes and I am always updated with that. Mahi, what do you see on Instagram? Reels. So what is your favorite part over there? The reel section? Yes. Those TikTok sort of videos that you see every day. Okay, 3 hours. And what is your average screen time? Just check it right now. What is your average screen time for mobile only? You have to tell me. Okay, let's avoid laptop and television. Only average screen time of your phone you have to tell me. Go and check it in the settings. Okay, no, you never use it. Oh God, Harshad, you're saying 5 to 6 hours. That is too much. I hope that you know that. Okay, ठीक है. I don't use Instagram. Very good, Mayank. Good. So you don't need to use any sort of social media right now. Although YouTube is also such platform, but you use it only for your, purpose. It should have a purpose why you are doing it, and purpose is like, ma'am, it is giving me happiness. Not that. So it should be qualitative for you. Okay, you should get something out of it. It should be worth spending your time. So you have these 24 hours with you, which are very, very, very essential. Okay, so just remember that this time you are not going to get back. Okay, so if you are losing this 25th ka day, then you come one day more closer to your board exam, and just imagine that feeling. You are about to write the board exam for the first time in your life. That is itself a very exciting thing, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so you have to avoid any sort of distraction, be it social media, be it any other thing. So make sure that wherever you are studying, that atmosphere is also quite calm. Okay, the room is also free from any sort of distraction. So mobile phone ko dur rakh do, that is not much important. Okay. Yes. Very good. And NCRT is also, like, important, that. So if you have marked some important points there, then go through that when you're doing the revision. Okay, that's easy. And yeah, this I have already told you, don't start a new book or any different topic. ठीक है, especially reference book में you will get some new topics and new questions, so don't touch that concept if you haven't done it yet, because as a student you always get that feeling, yaar I don't know this, ये कहाँ से आया, what is the answer to this question, my teacher didn't tell me this. So you keep on asking the answers to that question that is actually irrelevant, it might not be in your syllabus. So you need to trust your teacher, trust the source from where you are studying, be it Vedantu channels or any other source from where you are studying. Okay, yes, very good, that's easy peasy. And these are the all points that you can follow in these last 5 days. And apart from this, you need to be yourself. Okay, just trust your preparation strategy, just believe yourself. So whatever is your plan after this session, just get back to that. Okay, don't spend much time on strategic videos, one day strategy, 30 hours 24 hours strategy, like whatever it is, 30 minutes strategy, last 5 hours strategy. Don't run after those sessions. Okay, this is the last strategic session that I am delivering to you. No more strategies after it, because it is your personal call now. Okay, how you manage this time, because it depends on your preparation, how much you are prepared, with subject you find is more easy and difficult for you, it's all on that. Okay, yes. Very good, that's easy. And if in case you want to come in Vedantu courses for term 2, then link you will get in the description box of this video. ठीक है, term 2 के लिए you can try for 1 month, and after applying Shilpi Mam's coupon code SKA Pro, you are gonna get it for 2,340 rupees for 1 month for term 2 preparation. That would be a subjective part. Okay, yes, you already have Mesh. Yes, I do remember. So new batches for term 2 will be starting from 13th of December. Do not miss it, link in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Take care, and yes, stay hydrated. I wish you all the very best for your exam.